Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your MOTOROLA One Action, for the first you have to open calendar, click right here on this marker in the right corner, select event. For the first we have to add the title of our event, and we are able to set up other things. For example, we can change the default color of our event, and if you set up everything, you have to tap on the right upper corner to save, and as you can see here we got our event. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.